Mother of mercy, of love, O Maria, triumph for ye here.
Text me sometimes. Sometimes I need to organize.
Join with us, ye seraphim.
So when you go out, when you leave, go out that door there. All right? Where you parked?
Yes, just to get to know you.
No. I'm gonna let you stay in the church after everybody leaves to play if you want.
All right. My mother let me go, so I'm waiting for a ride.
Okay. So when you go out that door there. It'll lock behind you once you go out. All right.
All right.
If there's an emergency, text me. That's my number.
Yes.
What's your first name?
I'm Alex Pila from.
Father Darcy from St. Luke's.
Yep. Generally from in Ocean City, reside there.
Yeah. I don't get down there too much. All right. Enjoy.
Yep. I live in Worcester County. Like if I organize, I'll come up here for you.
Okay.
Ye seraphim. Sorry about that. Heaven and earth sound a hymn.